I'm not comfortable with my GF treating me to an all-expense paid trip. My GF want to travel abroad and is willing to pay for everything cause she understands I don't have the financial capacity. I don't like it cause of my ego but conflicted since she says there's no joy in traveling if I'm not with her. We came to an understanding na she can solo travel na lang muna because I can't keep up. Pero ngayon, pinipilit niya ulit ako. She wants to attend an event in Taiwan and wants me to be there with her. All expenses paid. Kung ako yung guy, sasama ako. Kung halimbawa, hindi naman talaga makakadent sa savings ng girl pag sumama ka. Pero, pag sumama ka, ang saya ng girlfriend mo.
End of the day, it makes her happy. So, sumama ka.
Tulad naman ng sinabi mo, you're working hard. Wala pa nga lang fruits of labor ngayon. So, hindi ka pa makapag-give back to your girlfriend. But, hindi naman after ng trip na to magbe-break na kayo. You still have a really long time to prove yourself or to give back to your girlfriend. Pero right now, si girlfriend yung capable and if you really love each other, edi tanggapin mo. Pagdating naman, syempre, bumawi ka na lang sa pag nandun na kayo, mahalin, ano mo siya. Ano ba?
Bumawi ka sa pagmamahal.
Make that trip extra memorable for her na hindi dun sa monetary aspect.
Tsaka nagkaintindihan naman sila dito, diba? We came to an understanding na pwede naman siya mag-solo travel muna. So, I don't think sinasampal naman ng girl sa mukha niya na, di, ako yung may pera, ako na bahala sa'yo. I think it's nice na to contextualize it from both sides. Kasi pati yung guys, ayaw niya lang din maging freeloader.
Mm-hmm.